How to use PS5 controller as a microphone on PS5 console, first tutorial. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your PS5 controller as a microphone on PS5 console. So for that you have to do an initial setup. Like when the first setup of PS5, the built-in microphone on the DualSense controller will be enabled by default. However, you can customize the setting to suit your preferences, like turn your PS5, navigate to settings and select sound and microphone settings. Under the sound settings, select microphone to view and adjust the microphone settings. Also read how to use DualSense PS cloud gaming services. So after that you can just adjust microphone settings to ensure the best performance from the built-in microphone. You may need to adjust its settings like microphone status, microphone level, microphone mute. And after that you can use the built-in microphone in games, like you can join a party, enable voice chat, make sure voice chat is enabled on the party settings. If your friends are also using the built-in microphone or a headset, you will be able to communicate seamlessly. And after that you can also adjust in-game settings. Some games have their own voice chat settings. Ensure the voice chat is enabled in the game audio settings and adjust the microphone sensitivity if needed. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.